Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable the Surf game on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies and Microsoft. Right click on Microsoft, new key and then type Edge. Now in the right pane, we will create a Diva 32-bit entry named allow surf game. Right click in the open space, new Diva 32-bit value named allow surf game. Double click on it to allow it change the value data to 1. Hit enter and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.